This video is going to walk you through building your first form in Reform. You'll note many templates do exist for different use cases. More are coming out all the time. But for today, let's go ahead and build a form from scratch. For this example, we'll put together a straightforward pricing request form. I'll add my title and supporting text. And finally, the various questions and data points I'm going to want to capture from our users. If I want to change the block type midway through, it's as easy as going to the block settings and transforming it to some other type of input. You'll note our edits persist, so no other changes are required. For this form, I'm going to want to use multiple steps just to simplify the perceived effort of the user to complete the form. So I'll add a second page here, duplicate my content blocks, and drag them down so I have consistent messaging throughout my form. And finally, some of the final questions to ask our users. If I want to update placeholder text, it's as easy as changing it directly in the editor, as well as other options relevant for each specific input field. I'll update the text of my submit button. And finally, make some edits to our thank you page. And hit save. Within our form settings, I have various customization opportunities. Perhaps I'll bump up the logo size, update the slug to be something a bit more descriptive. And I'm satisfied with the default button color and button text. Now let's preview our form. You'll note basic validation does exist, depending on the input type. And everything's looking really good. If I navigate back to the editor, to the Responses tab, here's where I'll see detailed records of every individual that has completed our form and all data points collected.